Yo ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to be making Transistor DIY Capacitive Touch Sensor. Yeah, you heard me right, Transistor DIY Capacitive Touch Sensor, and that is what we are going to be doing today. So sorry for not posting for over a week or plus. I really got ill and I got to get with that. So here's the project. This is the component which I needed. To make this simple project, we are going to be needing a transistor. In my case, I'm going to be using the 2N22222 type of transistor. It's actually an NPN type of transistor. Secondly, we are going to be using a 3-volt LED. Oh, sorry about that. A 1.5-volt blue LED, which we're going to be using in this video. And this LED is going to serve as the indicator. Thirdly, we are going to be using jumper wires and also a breadboard for connection and other important informations. Let's go into the circuit. Okay, now to make the connection process, we firstly need to know the pin out of our transistor which you're actually using. In my case, the 2N2222 type of NPN transistor. Now, the first pin is actually called the emitter, the center pin is actually called the base, while the third pin is actually called the collector. Now, the emitter side of the transistor is going to be connected to ground, as so the base of the transistor is going to be connected to one side of the resistor. Oh, I'm so sorry. Pardon me. I didn't really mention. We are also going to be using a resistor in this project. In my case, a 4 mega ohm resistor. I actually showed the wrong resistor value. You can use from 1 mega ohm to any higher ohm resistor. That will work the circuit more better. Let's go back to the video. In my case, the 4 mega ohm resistor. Then the collector side of the transistor is going to be going to the negative side of our LED. Yes, the 1.5 LED which I actually mentioned in the beginning of this video. Then the positive side of the LED is going to be going to VCC. Yeah, and also the other side of the resistor is where we are going to be touching. We are going to be placing our finger on the other side of the resistor and we are going to make the light to turn on. And this is the theory instincts. Okay, we are done with the project, we are done with the circuit. Let's test it out. I know if you look closely, you can see that the bulb is already lighting up. Yep, the bulb is already lighting up. I'm going to be making a full detailed explanation on how this circuit actually works, but we're going to be doing that on my Patreon. You can join my Patreon for free. As a free feature, I actually explain on different project on how it works. So if you want to get the full breakdown insight on how this project works, go to my Patreon, first link in the description. Let's quickly go to the testing of the circuit. As you can see, when we place our finger on the other side of the resistor, we get the bulb lighting up. This is a very fun project. I hope you really enjoy it. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. And also subscribe to Electro Boom. Yeah, if you have not yet subscribed to Electro Boom and you're interested in electronic tutorials, that guy actually gives a lot educational videos. I really love him. Go check out his channel, subscribe to him, and let's get him to 10 million subscribers. I know I really don't have an audience, but you know what to do. Subscribe or I'll take your dog.